Getting six-pack abs requires a combination of consistent exercise, a balanced diet, and overall body fat reduction. Here's a step-by-step process to help you achieve those sought-after six-pack abs. Set clear goals. Define your fitness goals and be realistic about the timeline. Understand that getting six-pack abs takes time and dedication. Clean up your diet. Focus on a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive alcohol consumption. Create a caloric deficit. To reveal your abdominal muscles, you need to lower your body fat percentage. Create a caloric deficit through a combination of a healthy diet and regular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise. Incorporate cardio workouts like running, cycling, or HIIT to burn calories and promote fat loss. Strength training. Engage in strength training exercises that target your core, such as planks, leg raises, crunches, and bicycle crunches. Compound exercises. Include compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which engage multiple muscle groups and help burn more calories. Train all abdominal muscles. Work on all parts of your abs, including the upper, lower, and obliques, for balanced development. Consistency is key. Stay consistent with your exercise routine and diet. Dedication and patience are essential for long-term success. Recovery and rest. Allow your muscles time to recover between workouts, as muscle repair is crucial for growth and development. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to support your overall health and aid in digestion. Monitor progress. Keep track of your fitness journey to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments to your plan. Mindset and positivity. Maintain a positive attitude and stay focused on your goals. Celebrate small victories and be patient with yourself. Remember that everyone's body is different, and genetics play a role in how and where you store fat. Building six-pack abs takes time, effort, and dedication. Consult with a fitness professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance and support throughout your fitness journey. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.